So with that, do you believe in life after death?
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole
Give me the cliff notes.
No, actually, I moved to Los Angeles to work at A&M Records to get in the record business.
Little bitch.
How did you research to play that role? Did you watch?
I have a toaster. I have a toaster oven tattooed on my ass.
Maybe a latte.
I said soft drink.
Why is that not soft?
Again, okay, yeah.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place. I just saw it like a bait. Like a.
Can you more?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares.
So it might take a while to get John in the room. I fought it. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
Having been on Hollywood Squares, and also the long skinny
who are biologically predisposed, you know, I would say to extrasensory perception could really
well.
And then there was the guy after him,
Ray Combs. Talk about.
Well, I have a podcast with my husband called.
What it really means is the transmutation. Right? A whole lot of energy. So I have to find ways to conserve. I have to find ways to reserve, and I have to find ways to have energy, to create energy, to produce energy. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.